The month of September was my biggest month in dividends ever. I received dividends from 6 companies and an ETF. I'm going to show you what I got paid and compare this month to what I received a year ago. Let's get into the video. Hi, welcome back to Excel Dividends. My name is George. I'm a financial analyst and qualified accountant here in the UK. I've been investing since December 2021 and my portfolio is sitting at just over £9,700. And in this video, I'm going to show you the dividend income I received in September 2023. So on the first of the month, I received £4.07 from Unilever. Unilever is a British consumer goods company that owns brands such as Dove, Domestos, and Ben & Jerry's. Unilever has been pretty flat over the last quarter, and I'm waiting for a dip to buy more into this stock. On the 12th of September, Lloyds paid me £11.90. Lloyds Banking Group is one of the UK's largest financial organisations. Lloyds has bounced up 5% in the last month, but has performed pretty badly since the start of the year. Microsoft was my next dividend payment. On the 14th, they paid me £1.89. Microsoft pays a pretty small dividend at only 0.95%, but the growth in the company is the main selling point. Tech stocks have been the highlight of the global stock market in 2023, but there has been a bit of a clawback in the last month. On the 15th of September, I received £3.64 from Realty Income. This is a monthly dividend payer, so we'll be seeing this every month. Realty Income is an American real estate investment trust that invests in commercial real estate and has tenants such as B&Q and Tesco here in the UK and some other big names in the US. Looking at what they've been paying month to month, you can see that this has increased. This will be due to the periodic dividend increases and the fact that I add to this position every month or so. It has become a core position in the portfolio, and I'll be adding to this position when the price looks good. The price has gone down significantly recently, so I've been adding more to the position. It is currently 12% of the portfolio, with £1,100 invested in this company. My position is currently down over 15%. When the price recovers, it will be my biggest position in the portfolio by far. Ideally, I would like all positions to be around 7%, and we can see from this pie chart that there's a bit of work to do to get the portfolio even across all of the stocks. Then, SSE on the 21st, I received £13.54 from SSE. SSE is an energy company here in the UK. They have had a dip in the last quarter, but they are in a very cyclical sector, so this is to be expected. On the 27th of September, I received £1.16 from my 3 shares in VWRL. VWRL is the Vanguard All-World ETF. I've been buying 1 share of this ETF every month. I try to wait for the price to dip a little before I buy every month. I hope to make this a core position in the portfolio in the future, but for now, I'm just pound cost averaging into the ETF to bring down the risk of the portfolio. Then the final dividend I received was from Pepsi, and they paid me £3.34 on the 29th of September. This is my dividend tracking spreadsheet, which I use to track the holdings I have in terms of price and dividends received. There are also other features, such as the future dividends and portfolio calculator, with the newly added live off dividends date. I update the spreadsheet on a monthly basis, so it includes any changes I make, and also you can see my portfolio in depth. You can download this on my website for free through the link in the description if you want to try it out. So my total dividends I received in the month of September was £39.54, which is my biggest month in dividends ever, and is almost double my previous biggest month, which was in May. Looking in the top right corner of the investment dashboard, I have a total return of 2.54%, and my total dividends received is now £168.31. Looking at the 3-month moving average, we can see that it has gone up by over £5 this month, and I hope to see this continue go up month over month. You can see here in the average monthly dividends going forward, which is calculated based on my input and average dividend yield, and my dividends should increase by about £2 a month over the next 6 months. So now that I've received dividends for more than a year, we can compare last year's results to the first month of this year. Last year, I received £128.77 in total dividends, and already in my second year, I've received £39.54, which is almost a third of what I received last year. If we look back at September 2022, I received £2.17, and that was my first month of dividends that I ever received. And now if we look a year later, I've received £39.54. That is nearly 20 times what I received a year ago. Looking forward to the dividends I will receive in October, I expect to receive the following: £10.50 from GSK, £2.66 from Aviva, and about £4.60 from Realty Income. My total for October should be around £18. I'm very close to my year-end goal of a £10,000 portfolio, which I expect to hit at the end of this month when I put more money into the account. The medium-term goal of the portfolio is £100 a month in dividends, which is going to take a few years and roughly a £30,000 portfolio. And the long-term goal of the portfolio is 10 years of investing. That is the end of the video. Thank you for watching this far into the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Any suggestions on improvements to the video content or ideas for content going forward, please leave a comment below and I'll give you a reply. Also, you can check out the investment dashboard in the link in the description.